Hey guys, how's it going? I got to do a little work on my pickup today. Might be going on a pretty long trip to pick something up, but I got to make some space in the shop. Kind of got it full here. Got pickup parts there, skid steer, 1086, tractors. So I'm gonna move these two out, see if I can get them to start. This is the one that's going to be a hard starter, so I got the charger on there. Pretty sure the batteries are junk. Give it a little throttle. Key, it's in neutral. Nothing to it, nothing to it. Get this unit out of the way. That idles a little bit. My yard is really sloppy lately and it's slightly froze this morning. So I'm gonna get this stuff moved around now. Hoping that will fix my problem. High pressure oil pump leak. This is a kit I got off Amazon. I don't really like stuff made in foreign countries, especially China, but that's what I got. So mine is not your typical 7.3 here. It's got some extra garbage on the top here. This is what you call a Gen 3 high pressure oil pump. It's got an extra high pressure oil pump that's gear driven. Uses this particular one uses an Avistar 444 power steering pump housing and gear and an aftermarket gear hydraulic pump. You feed extra low pressure oil into the reservoir. I put a check valve in mine. There's a check valve in that high pressure oil pump because they're less efficient at an idle, cranking and whatnot. So your stock pump operates to start the truck, and then that one builds enough pressure to help out after. You can run some pretty big injectors with this setup. First thing you're going to want to do when you're working up in that area, or really pretty much anywhere on one of these things, is unhook your batteries, because right there, right in that area right there, there's a lot of current for the glow plugs and the grid heater. Yeah, there's a little bit better look at my setup, if you can see much there. Low pressure oil in, oil pressure gauge. This is low pressure oil feed to the pump, high pressure oil feed to the system. Regulated return system with boost referenced, etc., etc. So I'm gonna go start taking this stuff off, get it out of the way. That'd be a little bit of a pain to get out of there. Well, looking at the bottom of this thing tells me that I might have an oil leak there. Usually where you have an oil leak, it's real clean, because that's where the oil's always dripping, taking all the contaminants with. But since I'm this far, I don't know, I might as well clean that thing up and reseal it. Looks like I need a new one of them. Dang it. There isn't much of an O-ring left on there. I pulled that out like that because when I tried to get it with this tool, I couldn't get it off. I don't know what the deal is here, if this tool is just garbage. Kind of looks like it, like it's way too wide. Finally got it. There's a little bit of crusty stuff in there. I don't know if that's what the deal was. We'll be installing new O-rings on this, but I'm going to thread it back in here. There we go. And the gasket. One oily mess. We got the Gen 3 and the high pressure oil pump pulled out. And next, we'll be resealing them. Tune in next time. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless. You want to run them?